forward, let's remember that true success isn't measured by awards or material possessions.
Today, you stand at the threshold of a new chapter in your lives. You are the torch bearers of knowledge.
So, I never regret for that discipline na gi-impart sa among teacher.
Today is not the end, rather a beginning of a new life and a greater responsibilities.
And our children will be in good hands.
Graduation Day is the day that culminates to reach the full potentials in achieving toward success. According to Sir Winston Churchill, success is not a final failure, not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our distinguished guests, parents, our school head, teachers, PTA officials, barangay officials, and the candidates for graduation for the school year 2023-2024, together with their parents, in their processional march.
Good morning, everyone. As the school principal of San Pablo Elementary School, and after having carefully examined all records of these grade 6 learners, composed of 41 males and 29 females, it turned out that they have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum by the Department of Education. With this, I have the honor to present and certify these 70 grade 6 learners to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Carmelino P. Bernadas, as candidates for completion for the school year 2023-2024. By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education, through our school's division superintendent, Dr. Carmelino P. Bernadas, and through your school principal, Ms. Idorni Salana, that you have completely satisfied the basic requirements of the K-12 basic curriculum of the Department of Education. And now, I confirm you as graduates for school year 2023-2024. You are now entitled to receive your certificates and to enroll in any public and private schools. Congratulations.
Monitoring and evaluation to be assisted by our school principal, Ms. Idorni Salanap, together with the principal of the Surugan Elementary School, Mrs. Gwendolyn Humawas. Here are the graduates of school year 2023-2024. Afable J.B. Pantonia. Cyrus Wison. Wagi Mark Tiluna. Kataag Emrix Salili. Manuel Lamartine. Elonjo John Albert Saisi. Mrs. Maayos. Female Advisor, Mrs. Leon Christy Y. Broa. Abapo Shahin Kila Katingog. Artion Jennifer Kumba. Anton Rizal May Castañares. Pundukan Lizzie Jane Yang. Kuma Krista Villia. Criticio Gilbert Kate. Emilio Princess Julia Silario. Heraldes Micaela Faye Piamonte. Ugar Janine Urdan. Lingo Aisen Rose Tapa. Losorata Rose Ann Sagaysay. Isa Arian J. Panton. Sarmiento Ashley Kate Tableros. Umbao Sheila May Navarquez. Filia Janlyn Costa. Candidates for graduation, grade 6
Mensahe para ni sa tanan, especially sa atong graduates. So here comes the message of Dr. Bernardas. I wish to convey my sincere acknowledgement and appreciation to the men and women who have greatly influenced their bright future and inspired themselves to be part of the school year 2023-2024 graduating class. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of our dear graduates. As we all gather to celebrate their achievements, we also look towards the future with hope and optimism.
Good morning, everyone, especially to the graduates, as well as to the parents. Congratulations. Good morning also to the teaching and non-teaching staff of San Pablo Elementary Schools, the visitors, as well as the stakeholders. Allow me to read the message of our Congressman Richard I. Gomez. Dear graduates, congratulations on reaching this significant milestone. Today, you stand at the threshold of a new chapter in your lives, and I want to convey my deepest gratitude for your diligence and commitment. Your graduation is not merely the end of your academic journey, but also a testament to the tremendous potential within each of you. Over the years, you have encountered numerous obstacles and demanding studies, and you have emerged victorious.
Congratulations to the graduates. It is my pleasure and honor to read to you the message of our City Mayor, Lucy Torres Gomez. To our graduates, you are the torch bearers of knowledge, embarking on an extraordinary journey through the phases of education. Just as a seed blossoms into a majestic tree, your scholastic years have established the groundwork for a radiant future. Now, you traverse the labyrinth of challenges, crafting your destiny like an adept adventurers.
My respect with parents, congrats, teachers, and our stakeholders, our principals, our guest speaker for these commencement exercise. So I am honored to deliver the message from our chairman, education committee, as member Attorney Nolito Pina. I respect our city mayor, Mayor Lucy Torres Gomez, and to the board, District Representative Congressman Richard Gomez, City Vice Mayor Toto Locsin Sr., and to the 16th Sangguniang Pangunsod ng Ormo, and to School Division Superintendent Dr. Carmelino P. Bernadas, and the rest of the family of DepEd Ormoc City Division. My greetings to the barangay officials, teachers, students, parents, and most especially the graduates. Guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to everyone. What a joyous occasion it is to stand before you on this auspicious day, celebrating your remarkable journey and the achievements as we gather here to mark the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. I am filled with pride and admiration as I see each of you and your graduation attires. Today, we honor not only your academic accomplishments, but also your unwavering determination, resilience, and the countless sacrifices you've made along the way. From late-night study sessions to overcoming personal challenges, each of you has a unique story of perseverance and triumph that deserves to be celebrated. It is such an honor to witness the growth and transformation of everyone. After a challenging but rewarding school year and the years devoted for you to be able to graduate today. And I must say, I am left but astounded. I am now seeing the glimmer of hope in your eyes during moments of doubt. The fierce determination in your hearts when faced with adversity, and the unwavering commitment to excellence that has brought you to this momentous occasion.
She is my sister, no, in Singles for Christ. But this time, mga double naman tanong, so dili na single. Okay, please sit down, my dear graduates. Okay, wonderful morning. Wonderful ba ang morning? Okay. Are we all doing great? Wala, gamay na ang yes. Oh, very good. Sigurado, kulang pa nimo kay sayo kay mo ni mata because you were so excited today. Nakapamahaw? Okay. Sige daw. Let us try kung nabadyo'y pamahaw. Okay, when I say focus, your answer is focus. Gets? Okay. But if that is the reverse, when I say focus, your answer is, sige, let us try. Okay, focus, 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 focus. Okay, good job. No worries, parents. Masugo ang inyong mga bata. Okay? Anyway, you know what? I am so honored and blessed to be your guest speaker right now. Because this very school, this is the school where I graduated my grade 6 elementary. So for so long, pila na katuig, murag nakabalik ko diri pero dili ingani siya nga activity, no? So that is why I am talking, no, with my ate here, no, si Ate Tita. So siya na ang inyong kagawad sa education ba ka ate? Dili. Okay, no? So with my respect also sa atong kap, hindi na kaayon ni familiar ng kap, no, kay murag pila na ka years nga wala jud ko diri, no? So iba na ang akong residence. But there's already a lot of progress. Ang ma-remember na ako, kani siya nga room, this is my grade 5 na classroom. Then at the back, that is my grade 6. Ang dito sa Luyo, that is my grade 3, then grade 4. No, because I started as a transferee student sa Simangan pa, Simangan Community School. Dili pa siya San Pablo. Because that was mga late, siguro 1980s, na i-change siya og San Pablo Elementary School. Sakto ba? Ang mga early 90s na, no? But ang barangay, i-change siya mga late 80s to San Pablo in exchange sa pag-donate ani na lot. Well, anyway, that is part of the history. So you are so lucky, you are so fortunate kay at least na ay ato, no, ang atong activity today. Kay sa unang panahon, murag trapal raman siguro mi ato, I'm not so sure, no, di na kay na ko mahinumduman basta kay init, no, init jud during the graduation. So when I started my grade 3 as a transferee, a newcomer to this school, there is only one section, one grade 3, one grade 4, one grade 5, and one grade 6. But today, tagpila na mo kabuk section. Duha na? Okay. So, daghan-daghan na ang estudyante. So, I don't know kung lucky ba or unsa, because my class advisor sa grade 3 at the same time, siya ang among mathematics teacher. Very strict and disciplinarian yun kaayo. She wanted us to memorize the table of multiplication. Naasad mo, ana? Okay, from 1 to 10. So we used to stand up sa front sa classroom. Then i-recite ang 1 to 10. So if ever dili ka memorize, so you have to squat. Squat na napadyoy libro sa ulo, no? But I think today wala na siya, no? Dili na siya. Okay, friendly na kayo ang atong classroom. So
by Honorable Arnel P. Lumagso. And also, the Kagawad in charge of education, Honorable Dominga Ampaso. Perfect in attendance awardee, Ongao Sheila May N. Yeso Leadership Awardee, Shahid Kelasi. SELG Leadership Awardee, Gomez Caitlin S. And Athlete of the Year awardee, Katakata Vincenzo. And now for the other special awards, as I call your name, please come to the stage. Alejandro N. Cyrus, Sports Competition Awardee, Table Tennis Singles, second place district level. Coach, this is Irene P. Bagir. Katakata Vincenzo M. Academic Contest, Campus Journalism, Photojournalism English, Division Level 3rd place. Coach, this is Jennifer L. Seguido. Sports Competition, first place district level, Pomse Taekwondo, Coach Jennifer L. Seguido. Third place, regional level, Theology Taekwondo. Coach, this is Jennifer L. Seguido. Paglasam John Y. G. Sports Competition, Table Tennis Singles, third place district level. Coach, this is Irene P. Dagil. Villacorta John Allen P. Sports Competition, Table Tennis Singles, third place district level. Division level, third place, Coach Josefa G. Martinez. Abamo Shahid Kelasi. Academic Contest, Campus Journalism, Column Writing English, second place division level, Coach Dion Christy Y. Broa. Sports Competition, Singles Table Tennis, first place district level, third place division level, Coach Josefa G. Martinez. Academic Contest, Interpretative Reading English, second place district level, Coach Dion Christy Y. Broa. Sports Competition, Volleyball Elementary Girls, Inter-School Cluster Level, third place, Coach Maria Isabel L. Catayo. Sports competition, volleyball, elementary girls, inter-school cluster level. Third place goes Ma'am Maria Isabel L. Catayo. Hogar Janine G. Volleyball, elementary girls, inter-school cluster level. Third place, Coach Maria Isabel L. Catayo. Sarmiento Ashley Kate C. Sports competition, athletics, runs. First place, district level, Coach Mrs. Emily C. Alejandre. Umbao Sheila May N. Volleyball, elementary girls, inter-school cluster level. Third place, Coach Mrs. Maria Isabel L. Catayo. Arcilia Renz Jealous C. Sports competition, Sepak Takraw Junior. Second place, district level, Coach Mrs. Jera T. Pino. Borinaga Vance Kenneth D. Badminton, doubles boys category. First place, division level, Ebra qualifier, Coach Mr. Noel Arcano. District level first place, Dolenzo Clark Kent A. Academic contest, campus journalism, sports writing in Filipino. Second place, division level, Coach Mrs. Josefa G. Martinez. Parilla Brent Emmanuel P. Academic contest, campus journalism, sports writing, English. First place, division level. Fourth place, regional level, Coach Mrs. Josefa G. Martinez. Sports competition, table tennis singles category. Third place, district level, Coach Mrs. Irene P. Dagir. Estojero Tricia Kate N. Table tennis, singles category. Second place, district level, Coach Josefa G. Martinez. Gomez Caitlin S. Academic contest, interpretatibong pagbasa. First place, district level. Second place, division level, Coach Mrs. Johan L. Campomanes. Campus journalism, editorial cartooning, Filipino. First place, division level, RSPC qualifier, Coach Mrs. Jennifer L. Seguido. Sports competition, table tennis singles category. First place, district level. Second place, division level, Coach Mrs. Josefa G. Martinez. Leones KT. Sports competition, volleyball, elementary girls, inter-school cluster level. Third place, Coach Ma'am Maria Isabel L. Catayo.
Please be seated. Honored guests, our ever-supportive school principal, Ma'am Elorni Isalama, PB Arnelo Moxo and his SB members, teachers, parents, fellow graduates, fans, good morning. As we gather here today, surrounded by the echoes of laughter and the promise of new beginnings, we stand in awe of the incredible journey that has led us to this moment. Graduates, you have embarked on a path filled with challenges and unwavering determination. Today, we honor your dedication, perseverance, and the countless this pivotal milestone in your lives. Each of you has walked a unique path, overcoming obstacles and seizing opportunities along the way. From late nights spent studying to moments of inspiration that ignited your passion, you have demonstrated a commitment to excellence and a thirst for knowledge that knows no bounds. Your journey to this day is a testament to your resilience, your courage, and your unwavering belief in the power of education to transform lives. As you stand on the threshold of a new chapter, ready to step to the world beyond these hollowed halls, remember that the journey does not end here. Graduation is not just a culmination, it is a beginning, a launching pad for the dreams and aspirations that burn brightly within each of you. The knowledge you have gained, the friendship you have shared will serve as the foundation upon which you will build your future. In years to come, you will face new challenges, embrace new opportunities, and chart a course that is uniquely your own. But as you navigate the twists and turns of life's journey, remember the lesson you have learned here, the value of hard work and the importance of perseverance and the power of community. Carry with you the memories of this day, the pride of your accomplishments, and the joy of knowing that you have the strength and the courage to shape your own destiny. To the graduates, I offer my heartfelt congratulations on this momentous occasion. May you continue to reach for the stars, to chase your own dreams with passion and purpose, and to make a difference in the world around you. As you take your next steps, remember that the world eagerly awaits the mark you will make upon it. Congratulations, graduates, and may your journey be filled with success, fulfillment, and endless possibilities.
Batchmate, please raise your right hand. All together, let us recite the Pledge of Loyalty. We, the graduates of San Pablo Elementary School for school year 2023 to 2024, solemnly promise to be loyal to our country, respect our religions and civil authorities, love our parents, and devour to live true to the teachings of God and our teachers, and give honor to our alma mater.
His song clearly sounds of or resembles the farewell that the students had to pass through or experience in order for them to receive the most covered diploma. Graduates, the relief and positive tone of the song is a great way to instill into your mind that the elementary graduation is not the end of your journey, rather the start of a new. We go now to the tribute to parents. The graduates have so much to be thankful for. With this, they want to express their gratefulness in a way that they can. Their parents play an important role in molding the young life of our pupils. Without their love, care, and support, the dreams and aspirations of their children will be far from reality. Beloved parents of the graduates, here comes your children to dedicate you a song entitled, "You Are the Reason."
Now as slowly you were with me, when I was silent you spoke up for me. I was lost before you showed the way.
resembles the farewell that the students had to pass through, or